Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you all how to tie two colors of gele on your head. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the gele. Thereafter I made pleats before placing the gele on your head. You want to learn how to do this just in case you want to tie Aso'Oke, any type of Aso'Oke for yourself. So after placing the gele on my head, I'm just going to arrange the pleats properly. The rule for this is 50-50. So I'm going to be coming in with my second color of my gele, which is the green color, and I'm also going to make sure that the rule for this is also 50-50. I'm just going to fold the edges of the gele, make pleats, and then place it on my head the same way I did with the first one. So at this point I'll be taking one hand of the gele, which is the first color of the gele that I placed on my head, the yellow gele. I'm just going to take one hand of the gele and make pleats. You have to take your time in doing this so that it comes out really beautiful. So I'm just going to make pleats at this point. So at this point guys, I'm going to start making my fan. Although I want to stress that tying for yourself is not as easy as when you're tying for someone, but I do believe that with constant practice it becomes easier and your hands get stronger. I also want to state that when you're doing this, you want to take your time in doing this so that the beauty of the gele comes out very well. So I'm done making my pleats. I'm just going to twist the remaining hand of the gele to the back and then pin it. And if you're doing this, you want to make sure that you pin properly so that your gele does not unravel. I'm going to pick the green color, which is the second color of the gele, on my head, and I'm going to make pleats the same way I did with the yellow gele. I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to be making my pleats. Thereafter, I'm going to make my fan on my head. The major difference between this green gele and the yellow gele is that the fan of the green gele is higher than that of the yellow gele. So I made the fan of the green gele higher than the yellow gele, as you can see in this video. So I'm going to twist the remaining hand of the green gele to the back, and I'm just going to pin it right there at the back. You can pin 2 times, you can pin 3 times, it depends on what you want. So I'm going to be twisting the remaining hands of the gele that I have. For the yellow and the green, I'm going to twist them and then pin them at the back there. At this point, instead of allowing that long hand of the fan to stand like that, I'm just going to bend it a little and then pin it on top the yellow gele. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share, and please turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you'll definitely be the first to know. I'm going to be showing you all what the back of this gele is going to look like. It's going to be a closed gele behind, but I really can't see my back right now, but everything is supposed to be closed behind and properly arranged. Please watch my previous videos on how to tie gele, be it satin or the usual Aso'Oke. I love you all so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.